In this video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube videos with Veed. It's an easy to use online video editor that will help you create stunning videos for your YouTube channel. So currently, Veed is under maintenance, so I won't be able to show you some steps in here. So listen carefully as I explain each step. So first, you need to click this create new project in order to start with your project. Uh, as you can see, there's an issue with their system, so listen carefully. If you already have a video footage, so assumingly this is not under maintenance, so you will see there a upload video, and then select a file from your computer, and then after uploading your media, Vid will open at the editor where you can see your video timeline, and then drag and drop your video files, audio, or images into the timeline. So if you want to add text, click on the text tool and type your captions or title directly onto the videos. You can adjust the font style, size, and colors. So Vid offers several features to make your YouTube videos look professional. They have a trim cut features, add subtitles, audio, effects and transitions, and zoom and crop. So to make your video more personalized, you can add your logo, watermark, or channel branding. You can also create an intro and outro with text or animations to make your video look professional. And then for YouTube, it's a great to add a call to action like subscribe or like this video using the text or stickers tools. And then once you're done, you can export your video and download and upload it to YouTube. And that's it. That's how you make YouTube videos with Vid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.